Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jordy if you don't know me, and today I tried a whole bunch of Korean beauty products from yesstyle.com. Before I start, I will leave a little disclaimer. This is not a sponsored video. I was not paid to make this video, but I was sent all of this makeup free of charge, but these opinions are still mine. Y'all know. I would love to try some Korean beauty trends because they're so different than the beauty trends here. If you guys have any favorite Korean beauty channels, please link them below. I would love to follow a Korean makeup tutorial using all of this new makeup. I found some incredible makeup products during this little first impressions tutorial, so keep watching if you want to see what they were. So for primer, I actually have two, so I'm going to try each one on half of my face. I've got the 3CE Back to Baby Glow Beam Primer and the Pony Effect Prime Protect Sun Base with SPF 50. So I'm going to put the 3CE Glowy Primer on the right side of my face. It smells like baby powder. It made my pores look nice, but it's really, really greasy. This one has a nice light smell, kind of cucumbery. And it feels really nice and moisturizing. It feels like the Kat Von D Hydrating Primer and Base. I have got so many products to try that I am probably going to keep doing both sides different products because I want to try everything. So I've got two cushion foundations. I've never tried any kind of cushion foundation. This is the 3CE Baby Glow Cushion in 001, and I cannot get over how cute it is. And there's a little cushion inside. So I'm just gonna use this little thing that came in the compact. And I'm gonna press it over the 3CE primer. For some reason, I didn't expect this to be full coverage. I thought it was gonna be really, really sheer. But it looks really, really, really good. It's really sticking to this primer, even though the primer felt really slippery. It's so even and flawless and luminous. This one kind of smells like baby powder too, which I'm not mad about. Wow, this looks so good. Look at that glow I've already got going on. I think I'm in love with this. Okay, so I lied. This is powder. This is the cushion. This is the Everlasting Cushion Foundation in the shade, what shade are you? Fair, also. And this has SPF 50 in it too. Same idea, little cushion in there. This one actually came with a refill. This one seems a little bit more watery. The shade is a little bit lighter. Again, I thought this was gonna be light coverage, but it's so nice. This one's not as full coverage as this one, but it's still lovely. This one has kind of a perfumey smell. It's not applying quite as evenly as the 3CE cushion, but I still like it. It's still really, really nice. Next up is concealer. I have the 3CE Concealer 001 and then the Pony Effect in Fair. This is the Pro Fit Liquid Concealer, and this one is the Full Cover Concealer. So this is definitely darker than what I usually wear. I believe this was the lightest color. I definitely prefer more of a highlight under my eyes. The formula is nice, it's a little bit dry, and it's not super full coverage, and it is oxidizing to be even darker than I thought it was. Now I'll do the Pony Effect side. This looks a little bit lighter, but definitely still darker than what I lean towards. This formula is much thicker. I love this formula. This is very, very Shape Tape. But again, this is the lightest shade that's available. Definitely way more full coverage than this concealer. To contour, I'm going to switch to a different brand. It's spelt like meme, like a funny meme. It's I'm Meme, so I'm not sure if it's pronounced I'm Meme or maybe it's I'm Mimi. FYI, I thought memes were called memes for a very long time. It's very embarrassing. But this is a cream contour palette, Define and Glow. And when I opened this up and saw those contour colors, I was a very happy pale girl. First, I'm gonna try the lighter shade in the middle, and I'm gonna kind of press it on with my Kat Von D Cream Contour Brush. Oh, I love the color, I love the color. I didn't pick up a lot of product. I think this would go real far. Just blending it out with a stippling motion so I don't disturb my gorgeous foundation. It's a little bit warmer than I thought, but I really, really like it. It blends amazing. On the other side, I'm gonna try the darker shade. My face is gonna be pretty weird today. Try and make it so you can see the difference in color on my forehead. This one's definitely darker and a tiny bit more warm, but I actually like them both. Since these contour shades are really warm, I think I'm gonna try something else to contour my nose. I have this little 3CE Studio face tuning palette. I think that's so cute. It's totally what you're doing when you're contouring, tuning your face. This looks like a really nice cool tone color. Oh yeah, that's good. I hope I'm not the only one that smells every single makeup product. This smells like sweet, like candy. This is honestly the perfect nose contouring color. The only thing is that I don't really color correct much, so a lot of these probably won't get used very often, but sometimes I think that the product is worth just the one shade. Especially when it's something tricky to find, like a really good nose contouring color. Back to the Pony Effect 3CE competition. Just kidding, they both seem to be quite great. For powder, I've got the 3CE Studio Blur Filter Powder in Pale, and one is lavender and one is green. And then this is just a face powder in light. Baby powder. So the colors are separated in this little thing, but they're both gonna come out when I dump it. So we're using both colors. Just gonna mix it up in the lid, spill it on myself, and use this adorable little puff. Hopefully this will brighten the under eye. It feels incredibly soft, and it did brighten the under eye a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a brush. So it is doing that thing where it takes away some of the coverage of your makeup. Yeah, quite a bit. Since this says blur powder, it's probably not meant to be a setting powder. It's probably more so meant to be a finishing powder, especially since it's blue and green. This is probably kind of a last step after your makeup's already set with powder. But I think it's really important to try makeup products for things that maybe they're not used for, because you never know when you're gonna find the perfect setting powder. But this is not it. I'll definitely keep this on my table to try as a finishing powder. Next up, the Pony Effect powder in light. Ooh. This is nice. This has actually a lot of coverage. This side is winning. I'm actually gonna go in with this powder and see if I can get a little bit of extra coverage happening on this side. Not really. This side's just better. So I also have this Pony Effect powder contour kit with some highlights, a contour, and a blush. Just gonna throw some on top. I'm gonna try this highlight too. It's like it's there, but not really. What else do we have? For my brows, I'm just gonna use one product. I don't really want two different brows. I already have two different bases. I'm gonna use the 3CE Studio Coloring Brow Pencil and Mascara. and this is in gray brown. So on this end, we've got a little angled brow pencil. This is almost exactly the color of my eyebrows. I'm pushing so lightly, and it's still laying down some brow. The little tip, I can make really nice little fine, precise brow hairs, but then I can also flip it over and really fill them in. I like that. And then we've got a little baby brow gel on the other end. I like this brush, it's really soft. It's made my brows look really nice and full. Both my eyebrows are on. I really like that eyebrow product. It's really easy to use. It was quick, it looks good. I think we have another winner. I got this really super cute palette. This is by Pony Effect, and it's called the Master Eye Palette, and it's the Pastel Master. And here are the lovely shades. And I also have this Tangerine Stain Matte Color Shadow from 3CE. I had to have it. Very pretty. Put this on the lower lash line as well. On this side, I'm gonna go in with this matte, sort of dusty rose shade. It looked a lot darker in the palette. There's not a whole lot of pigment happening there. I'm gonna go in with that dusty pink shade, and I'm gonna kind of blend out the edges of the orange with that pink. And I'm gonna go into the Tangerine Stain and just match them. Back into this palette. Grab this blue-green shimmer. Definitely a lot more going on than that matte shade. And on this side, I'm gonna try the purple. That purple's not really giving me much either. Unfortunately, I don't think this palette is going to become a staple. I do have to wear this look, so I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I'm just gonna put purple and blue glitter on the lids. All right, now that glitter has saved the day, I'm going to line my eyes with the 3CE Super Slim Pen Eyeliner. Ooh, it is super, super, super slim. This is a really great little eyeliner. You could probably do some crazy detail work with this little guy. I really like this eyeliner. It's nice and black. Sometimes it's hard to do liquid eyeliner over glitter, but this one did it. I am going to put on these adorable lashes. These are litfly Sweet Eyelashes, ultra realistic like eyelashes. I think this might be the style 118. I love little spiky lashes. These would be so good to chop up and use as little chunky bottom lashes too. I'm gonna pop back into the Pony Effect Fabulous Contour Palette, and I'm gonna use the blush. Where are you? I don't think this blush is gonna be enough for me. It's pretty, but you guys know that I'm like crazy about blush. For the lips, I have this really unique color. It's called Rose, and this is by 3CE. Love the packaging. Ooh, super matte. Super pretty. So that is it for the Korean beauty products that I'm going to try. I do have a few other things, but I can't pile them onto my face at this point. I guess today's look is a very matte look because that highlighter just didn't work for me, but that's okay. It's cute anyway. I'm really happy with how this turned out. There was a lot of products in there that were really good. I'm gonna quickly tell you guys what my favorites were. Not only is this 3CE cushion absolutely adorable, the Baby Glow cushion in 001, it is amazing. I love this foundation. I can't wait to try it in my sort of regular makeup routine and see how it wears. This is great. This Pony Effect primer, I think I'm also really gonna like this. I love the way my skin looks, and SPF 50, that's incredible. the iMeme Define and Glow Cream Contour Palette. This is so nice and compact. I find that all of my cream contour palettes are really big, so I think this is going to be a really great product to take with me when I go places, and I really like the contour shades. I love this 3CE lipstick in Rose. It's gorgeous, it feels so nice, and it's really, really matte. It doesn't feel drying. The lashes are adorable. I love them. I think I'm gonna go back on the yesstyle website and get some more of these one color shadows by 3CE because this was so nice. I love the brow product by 3CE, another one that is good for taking with me because it's got the pencil, it's got the gel in one. They don't feel super stuck in place. I like my brows to be like rock solid, but I do like this product. Last, I really love this powder by Pony Effect in Fair. It was flawless. It set my makeup beautifully. I can't wait to try this again. All the other products were okay, but not fantastic, but that was a lot of really excellent makeup. That went really well. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you go shopping on yesstyle. I will link all the products below if you want to try anything, and I hope I see you in the next video.